today I'm going to show you how can you stream any movie, video, web series, TV series in any type of form. You can stream without paying anything. Not everybody can afford premium subscriptions of apps like Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hotstar, and many other applications. It's not easy to. Okay, and uh, torrent is also banned in many of the countries right now, so people are struggling to view their favorite content on internet, and for that they are paying a lot of money. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how you can watch out stream your favorite TV show or movie without paying anything in just few steps. I would say 2 to 3 steps, that's it. And you can download it, you can stream it online, whatever. And it's very easy, without no ads are there and nothing, and it's not illegal even. So I believe you're so curious how it's gonna happen, so I'm not going to take more time, so let's get started. So let's open google.com. so it's a Google script that you'll have to paste into Google, and what all you need to do, let's have a look. So this is the script. I'm going to mention this script in the description. Here on the place of Hindi, you'll have to put the TV show or web movie or web series name here. Just you need to replace it, that's it. I'm just looking for Game of Thrones. These all are direct links to videos. So here you can see, when we clicked on the first link, every episode, every season is there. You just need to click on any episode which you want to watch, that's it. Okay, seems interesting, yeah. If you like this one, please put a like, and if you still have a query or feedback, you can put it in the comment box. Okay, let's try another one, another link in the Google. Okay, so you can see many links are there. You can choose any of them as per your requirement. Okay, some may provide the HD, some may not. Okay, so you can check it out there. So here again you can see the episodes of Game of Thrones season 1, all are in 720p. You can check the another season as well. So again here you can see season 2, all are in 720p. You can download it as well. Just click on the video and save it, or directly you can play it. I hope you love this thing. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it and press the bell icon button so you won't miss any update. Thank you so much for watching out my video. Have a good day.